All right, we're going to be taking a look at BVTK. All right, so obviously we've had a little bit of weeks, a little bit of a drop off here in the beginning of the week, and then recovered right up off of there. So basically, right now, what I like to do is kind of point out what we did see then. Okay, the last time that we've looked at this was going to be on 9/29, so that was going to be last weekend. All right, with that being said, right here, so right around here in this area. All right, and I said 0058, watch, resistance at 60 and 70. We can see that up here, and then 60 is going to be right there. All right, so we did see that resistance support at 58, 50, and 45. If 0058 does not hold, again, to give you guys an idea right there, all right, we did the analysis right here, right before it fell through here. As if it does not hold, watch for the bounce off 5045. A break 65 could send this one much higher. But watch for that bounce. And then right here, you guys came down to exactly 50, exactly what we talked about. Here, all the answers are within the chart if you look at them the right way. That's my personal opinion here. And there we go. Right here, we got what we were looking for. So watch for that bounce off that 50. You guys ended up coming back down here. We see that right here. And then bouncing nicely right off that 50 and now above the 10-day simple moving average, which is going to be that little blue line. I'm going to follow that up with the red marker there. All right, so now you guys are above it at 0057 going into the weekend with a bullish outlook, in my personal opinion. But like I said last week, I told you guys what to keep an eye on. You guys, everything really did come out pretty well here, in my personal opinion. And then on Friday, 74 million shares picking up to close that day at the top of 0057. The high was at 59. So beautiful moves here. What we're going to be looking at right now, again, we're going to put our resistance level at that 60, 65, and 70. Support levels right now are going to be around that 56, 46, and 48. The 50 as well. I'm going to continue to keep that 50 is going to be a support level, in my personal opinion. I don't want to see it get below that 20-day and 30-day simple moving average right here. Okay, obviously to remain in the bullish territory, that's got to hold. So again, beautiful moves here for this one. Really starting to stabilize out really nicely here, especially after that little bit of a pullback earlier in the week. So 0057 right now. We're going to put our resistance levels, like I said, at 0060, 65, and 70. Support levels right now are going to be at that 0055, 50. And I'm just going to put in here 45. That's pretty close to it. All right, watch for the volume to pick up on Monday. A break of 0060. We'll be watching for, and then under here 0050 must hold. Again, I said that before, watch for that bounce. We're going to continue to watch for that 0050 to hold, most importantly, like I said, with that volume as well. So again, let me go through one more thing here. A lot of people have been asking me, hey, what do you use? What do I put together here to come up with my analysis? Over here on Investors Hangout, the time and sales, like I always say, it's completely free. Why pay other sites for it when we offer all the same stuff completely free? All right, so you got the message board, company profile, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, time and sales. Time and sales is going to show you time, price, and volume for each individual trade, buy, sell, wash trades, all of them, going back to the last 90 days. So again, I come over here, I'm like, all right, well, look at the tape here. We can go through each, actually, if it's a day of, so today's the 7th, obviously, but if it was the 6th, and trading period, it would have the actual time and hour and minute for this, but right now it's just rounded up to the day. So keep that in mind as well. You can go through and watch every single trade for BVTK and all your other favorite stocks, again, completely free. All right, we're going to be watching for this, like I said, for the volume. BVTK, shout out to all you guys that have been supporting us and sharing our videos. You guys have been doing a wonderful job with it. We truly do appreciate it. A lot of great things here to look forward to with the chart here with BVTK. I know for sure I'll be watching it next week. So make sure you hit that like and share button. Like, share, and subscribe, rather. And we will see you over on investorshangout.com. Are going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol SANP right now, currently traded at 0012. What a beautiful move here, especially the last 4 days. Really nice and steady. I do want to point something out here. Look at on 10-1. This is going to be the last time that I've looked at this one. So 6 days ago, right here. All right, this is going to be over the weekend. Boom, right here, starting to come off of their requested. Remember this, and you can go back and verify this video as well. All right, so this is going to be the last time that we've looked at this one. Right here over the weekend, the volume starting to pick up. We talked about that in the last video, and then boom, look at where we talked about it. 0002, watch for 0003 to hit to confirm a possible run here. You guys got that hit, that confirmation right here, that following Monday. All right, you guys had that confirmation of hitting that 0003. Okay, we confirmed it, and then boom, right after that, one big day. Okay, and then 2 days, you guys had a little bit of a gap up there, pulled back down a little bit around that 0006, and then just on Friday, plowed through this on heavy volume. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. Going into next week, we're going to be watching, most importantly, for that momentum on Monday. 7, 10, and I believe 12 is going to play a key role here as a resistance level, and then off of that it's going to be 15 that I'm seeing here as well. So we got 12 and 15 above us. With that being said, we're going to be watching, mainly it's going to come down that momentum right now from where you guys are at with that volume that we've seen here. I mean, considering yesterday 1 billion shares traded, it's 297 shares over the last 20 days of volume average. Okay, so 1 billion, a lot of shares in here, guys. Getting a little bit outside that upper Bollinger Band, I would definitely lock in profits in my personal opinion. I mean, considering the fact a week ago you guys were at 0002 and now at 10, definitely lock in profits here, maybe to watch for that bounce off of 10, depending on volume. If that volume comes through, I think that you guys could probably head up to the 15 mark area with volume. If not, could end up tapping around that 10, maybe 8 if the volume weakens. But right now, remember, like I said, that when I went over this one the first time, it's up 1,000, well, not quite 1,000%, but a couple 100% off of that 0003, 0002 to be exact when you're looking at it. So 10.7, we're going to put in 0012 for the current price. And then resistance level 0012, 15, support at 0010, and followed up by 0007, where we're currently at right now. All right, there we go. So, like I said, resistance is going to be at that 12 and 15 that we see. Support at 10 and 7, 0010, and 0007. Volume could push this to 0015. If volume slows, watch for a 0010 or 0008 bounce. All right, so we got a lot of things to watch for here. Again, I cannot stress to you guys enough. This is why I always say it's important to stay up to date with our videos here, because obviously right here, you guys are watching it right in front of you. SANP. Just the last time that we've looked at this, like I said, a few times now, 0002, and now you're at 0012. This is why we scope these things out down here in the bottom. All right, so with that being said, SANP, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get out there and share this video with all other investors. It's all we ever ask, and we will see you while we look for the next big one over here on investorshangout.com. All right, going to be taking a look at DOLV right now, currently traded at 0470. You guys are coming back down to that support line that I see here at 0450 right now. Coming back into the upper Bollinger Band. You guys had a big day over here on the 4th that we see right here. Big move up here, getting up to that 0550, actually hitting the high of 0565. Following day, opening up at 0532 and hitting the high of 0580, bringing you guys back down between the 0450 and 05. You guys can see that going on right here, hitting that support level right here as well at 0450. And then again, right there is going to be that area where I just put that red mark that I would like to see personally hold here. If you guys break through that 0450 area, 04 coming up underneath, that's going to be your next major line of support right now. But most importantly, like I said, you guys are back inside the upper Bollinger Band. unless volume completely disappeared, is going to be the only way that it's going to go back down to 0.4 in my personal opinion. But we are going to watch for that volume to at least sustain to where you guys are at right here, but get that momentum enough to push you back through to 0.5. So right now, in my personal opinion, we're going to watch for this to bounce off that 0.450. So we'll put in today's date, 0.470, resistance again at that 0.5, and then 0.550, support at 0.450. Obviously, these are changing compared to the last time that we've looked at them, obviously, because of the fact of the moving averages are all down there, and you're on a completely different level. So I'm going to put in here watch for the bounce off of the 0.450 area, in my opinion. All right, so that's going to give you guys a little bit of what to look forward to here for DOLV. Another one, like I said, I've been following this one for quite some time as well. And then DOLV, a lot of people do ask, hey, what do you use when you put together these charts? Combination of a few things, obviously the chart and the time and sales over here on investorshangout.com, completely free. Like I said, very, very useful tool. All right, the time and sales is going to give you an idea of the buys and sells for each individual trade for each stock. So great tool to have, completely free. Like I always say, DOLV, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it very much. And you can check us out live on investorshangout.com/live. All right, here's another one requested here. ONCI, of course. I mean, we went through this one so much, so many times here, but let's talk about what I see right now. All right, current trading price right now, 0.141. Volume on yesterday, 52 million. The average volume for the last 20 days has been an average of 67 million shares being traded. So with that being said, 0140 played a critical role in this one, basically almost for half of September right there. So mid-September to beginning of October right here, you guys stay between those points of 0180 and 0140, right between the two. All right, you guys formed a nice support over here at 0140, where you're currently at right now. So this is going to be a critical point right now. All right, 0140, my personal opinion, is going to be a must-hold area to remain bullish because you guys are, in fact, in a new bullish territory. You guys are above all the indicators that I look for. The 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving averages are now all underneath this big candle right here. So 0140, we would want to see hold here going forward, in my personal opinion. Now down here, I can probably put this at 0110. I think that's what I'm going to do for a support. But underneath that, I'm going to put on here 0110 is going to be a must hold. That's essentially right here where that 30-day simple moving average is. If that doesn't hold, you guys are going to be back down to the bearish territory. But considering the fact that you had the last few trading days of getting your butt whooped here, essentially bringing you down, hopefully that there's light at the end of the tunnel here, bringing you guys back up to where you're at right now. Let me go ahead and update our date, and that's going to be 10/7 and 0141 is the current price. Okay, go ahead and put our resistance level in here. We're going to put 0160, 0180. It's going to be good enough. You guys get the idea. Every 10 or every 20. Support 0140 where you're currently at, and again 0110. And that I mean I could put the 10s in here. I don't want to even bother with that. We're going right to the point. 0110. And then a break. All right, well, actually, you know what? Not even a break. We're just going to put 0110 must hold. 0140 will need to hold to remain bullish. All right, so again, my personal opinion, you're going to have to hold that 0140 to remain in the bullish territory, in my opinion, for ONCI. And like I said, guys, we've went through this one many times, and I'm going to continue to go through this one. As long as you get out there and share this video, that's all I ever ask. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more I cover it. Hit that like and share if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out investorshangout.com. All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbols CWIR right now. We're looking at the time and sales here. If you're not familiar with this, over on investorshangout.com, you're going to have the price, the time, price, and volume for each individual trade completely free at your fingertips. All right, message board, company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, all that, like I said, at your fingertips. If we look over here on the chart, all right, there's a few things I'd like to talk about here, especially over on the first, and that is going to be right here, okay? And I said 0029, resistance at 3040, support at 2015. If volume does not pick up again, should stabilize around the 20. And let's pay attention to those dates again. Again, you can go back and verify all this information for yourself. That was going to be right here in this box. All right, 10-1 right here in the beginning of that box. And should stabilize around the 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 days right down to that 20. And you got stabilized and then pow, right off of that. Very beautiful move. A little bit of recoil there off of that 20-day simple moving average as well. You guys are getting up there right now at the resistance level that I see at 50. The volume for the day at 58 million. The average volume for the last 20 days has been about 65 million shares traded. With that being said, just beautiful, beautiful last month here of trading all around. Okay, seriously, for the last consecutive 30 days. It's just been a beautiful move here. Right now, you guys are getting up there kind of high. Resistance level, or I'm sorry, RSI is currently at just about 80. Volume's picking up. This one's going to come down to that volume. In my opinion, you guys are going to have some momentum here behind the volume. So 0049, resistance at 0050. And 0055 coming off of that mid range, about right there at the top. 5560 right there. Support at 0040, 30, and 20. Could pull back to maybe 0030. I'm going to keep that 30 where all this is coming up behind it. Again, I think that's starting to get a little overbought here, in my personal opinion. Could it keep going? Absolutely. But it's just something I'm going to be watching very closely here, especially next week. But like I said, right now, at 0049, resistance at 5055, support at 403020, volume slows, could pull back to maybe 30. Okay, that's where the 10-day simple moving average is. It's all going to come down that volume. We're going to be watching that, like I say, going forward. CWIR. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And you can check us out on investorshangout.com.